You're live.
Yeah, hi, I'm Joe Conti. It's Friday, May 7th, and we're here at the proposed outdoor dog run for Dog Hill. This is the space that is within 350 feet of the closest residential area. And what we've done here is we've set up a sound test. So we're going to measure the sound decibels of dogs that may be playing out in our outdoor dog run. And I should say, not playing, but coming out to relieve themselves. So here we are. We're going to put the sound on, right? And I'm going to measure. Okay. Now, this is a lot louder than any other normal dog run. So right now the decibels are registered at between 95 and I believe 107. Okay, so it's basically 94 to 104. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a walk up toward the residential area and see how these decibels decline. Okay, so here we go. Up the hill. Okay, so here I am at the ground floor of the second level of 400 High Ave. So we're going to register the sound right now, and that is, we're at 80, between 80, actually we're between 74 and 86. All right, so we'll keep walking toward the residential complex, and as you can imagine, the sound will decline, the decibels will decline. You see, the advantage that we all have here is, as we mentioned in the meeting, the elevation of this proposed area is below grade. All right, so the sound is now being buffered by the concrete retaining wall. Now, and your complex is even elevated higher than the elevation of the second floor of 400 High. So this is all a win for us. Right now, it's registering. Let's see, I have to stop talking because I'm actually going to talk louder than the dogs. Okay, we're at between 68 and 75, let's say, and we're not even at the complex yet. Okay, where I am right now is at the corner of the closest apartment to our proposed outdoor dog area. And I'm going to stop talking because obviously my voice registers on the meter. So here we go. At 70. And what I can tell you is right now this is registering the throughway, not the dog barking. I can't even hear the dog barking at this point. What I can hear is the throughway. So that's what the meter is registering. So what we're going to do is well, actually, you know what? I'm going to walk around the building. Okay, so now I'm facing unit 320. And there is absolutely no indication of any dog barking right here. And again, this is the closest unit to where we're proposing to place that. And what I can hear now is just the throughway traffic, nothing to do with dogs. So our second test is going to be to move that run 500 feet away from the building. And what we can tell you, as we said in the meeting, is that we're going to lose the advantage of that elevation, because as you move away from the building, the elevation rises. So we'll become closer to being on plane with the residential units than where we are currently. So we're going to do that now. So obviously I'm approaching the speaker, and I'm beginning to hear the dogs again, which obviously stands to reason. And you may have seen the elevation as we came up the hill, but please take notice now as we go down the hill. I mean, the elevation is such that this basically is a valley, and we want to take advantage of that because it's a natural buffer for the site. So here we go. I'm going to climb down the hill.